In today's video, we are going to look at 7 simple guaranteed ways to make money online as a digital content creator. So you want to stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to share with you 7 simple guaranteed ways to make money online, and each method is going to come with a real life example to inspire you. Let's get started. If you see my face for the first time, my name is Eva Mtali. So the number one way, guaranteed way to make money on the internet is by entertaining people. So one of the most popular ways to make money online is by entertaining people. So what you want to do is create content that is engaging on platforms such as YouTube, on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, whatever kind of platform you choose to go for. Just make sure that whatever you are doing is entertaining. So I'll give you a classic example of somebody like Mr. Beast, who entertains millions with these extreme challenges and also philanthropic stunts, earning through ad revenue. Of course, YouTube ads revenue. I have also seen it recently. He moved to Facebook. He's making so much money there, and sponsorships as well. So what you want to do is find your unique angle, and whether it's going to be comedy, it could be music, it could be gaming, whatever it is. It could be extreme challenges like those that Mr. Beast does, and in the end you are going to build a loyal audience which you can monetize in different ways. Number 2 guaranteed way to make money on the internet, simple is by saving people time. So here people find their time to be very valuable, and there are people that are willing to pay you to save them time. So if you can help them save it, they will pay for your content. So for instance, you have seen YouTuber 5 Minute Craft, who offers quick and simple do-it-yourself crafts and life hacks that save viewers time and money. So if you go to that channel, 5 Minute Crafts, you're going to find things that you can very quickly do in 5 minutes or less, and they have a huge audience on the internet. You can monetize similar content through affiliate marketing. You can use sponsored posts. You can make money by ads, creating videos and getting YouTube AdSense. You can use blogs or social media posts that offer time-saving tips and hacks. So guys, there's just a whole ton of ways that you can make money by saving people time. Number 3 way to make money on the internet, make money online guaranteed, is by saving people money. So another great way to attract an audience is by helping them save money. So take the example of Eva Mtali Finance, for example, where I talk about different ways that you can make money, different ways you can save your money, and different ways you can grow your money. So you can monetize your content through affiliate links. You can do sponsored content, maybe partner with, let's say, a bank or whatever kind of content you're creating that saves people money. You can partner with people who provide that kind of product or service. You can also share your own money saving tips through a blog. You can do so through a YouTube channel. You can do so through your TikTok account or any other social media and monetize through similar channels. Number 4 way to make money on the internet, guaranteed, is by fixing a painful problem. So identify common problems that people face and offer solutions through your content. And sometimes, guys, you don't have to go and look for problems that people face. Solve your own problems. So for example, like me, I have been for the last 14 years trying to find different ways to make money on the internet. So every time I find a new way to make money on the internet, I come and talk about it right here on the channel. So we also have one that I love called Dave Lee. His channel formerly used to be called Dave Lee on Tech, but now he's just called Dave Lee, who offers tech tutorials and advice on optimizing tech, optimizing gadgets and software, and solving common tech problems. So you monetize by creating how-to videos. You can create detailed guides, or you can even develop useful apps or tools and partner with brands that offer solutions. However, one very easy way to go about it, like I've said, is make sure that the kind of problem that you are solving are first-degree problems. Yeah, for example, what I like saying, give people painkillers not vitamins. People want not preventive. Okay, they don't mind preventive, but they're gonna pay you quickly for what do you call it? The opposite of preventive, like curative. People prefer curative problems, solutions to curative problems than solution to preventive problems. So that's why people would rather wait until they get a headache to take Panadol instead of drinking water to avoid headaches. Okay, so don't give advice about drinking water to prevent getting headaches. Give them Panadol to cure their headaches, if you know what I mean. Okay. Number 5 way to make money on the internet, guaranteed, is by making people healthier. So the health and wellness niches is always on demand because people just want to be healthier. So if you can share fitness routines, you can share healthy recipes, you can share a day in your life doing something like intermittent fasting, mental health tips, anything that will help people become healthier, they are gonna pay for it with their eyeballs. Okay, so a great example is Blogulate by Casey Ho, who shares workout videos and fitness challenges on YouTube. So she monetizes through YouTube ads, she has sponsorships, and also sells her own fitness merchandise and digital products like workout plans. Guys, I'm going to leave links to all these YouTube channels I've mentioned in the description box so that you can watch them and get some ideas on how you can create your own content. So you can also create similar content to help people lead healthier lives and monetize through ads, sponsorships, brand deals, and you can also sell digital products. Number 6 guaranteed way to make money online is by helping people with love. Yeah, so people are often seeking advice on relationships and dating, so you can create content that offers genuine, helpful advice on finding love, healing heartbreaks, maintaining relationships, or improving their social skills. So one that comes to mind is Matthew Huzi, who is a dating coach who shares relationship advice through YouTube videos and podcasts. And he monetizes through book sales. He offers coaching sessions, and he also has online courses. So you can write blogs, you can make YouTube videos, you can make TikTok videos and ask for flowers and lions and universes, or start a podcast and partner with dating apps or relationship coaches for sponsorship opportunities. Number 7, last but not least way to make money online, guaranteed, is by making people happy. So focus on content that simply just makes people happy. This could be through inspirational videos, it could be motivational speeches, or just feel-good stories. So the YouTube channel Soul Pancakes is my favorite. They create uplifting content that just spreads positivity and joy, and they monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, they sell merchandise. So you can create similar content to build a community around positivity and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. So guys, those are the simple 7 ways to make money as a digital content creator, make money on the internet, make money online in 2024, complete with real life examples. So choose the methods that align with your passion and skills and start creating valuable content for your audience. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.